evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Today's table topic session is a little different from any other table topic. So you usually get a piece of paper with words on it, but I believe a picture speaks louder than words. So today we're not going to have a PICK, pick and speak contest, but we're going to have a PIC, picture and speak contest. Right? So, whenever I take up this role, I always meet different people who want to take part. Some of them want an easy topic, some of them don't want to go first. Right? But at the end of it, as a participant, you have only two choices. You can come on stage, speak in fear, or you can come and speak in freedom. This is what a true speaker is made of. Because it doesn't matter how the topic is. It matters what your state of mind is when you come on stage. And I would like to give a simple suggestion for everybody here. I know at one point or the other, you would definitely speak on stage impromptu. And I'd like to give you a small suggestion, and some of you might have heard of it. It's called prep, right? So when you come on stage with 1 or 2 minutes on the clock, what is prep? P stands for point. Establish your point. Whatever it is. Do not think if the crowd is being pleased by it. You have to be confident enough to state your point. Second, reason. You have to give a valid reason connected to the point. What is E? Example. Try giving out an example. When you give an example, you're actually organizing your impromptu speech. At the end, P again stands for point. Establish the same point again. That means you are summarizing what you already said. Right? So, today's table topic session, each speaker will get 1 minute timer. Yeah? So, can we begin?
Yes.
And before we begin, I have placed a few pictures there. Do not worry about the numbers because there are a few numbers that are missing. But go ahead, pick any one picture. Do not change the picture. And there is no change. You have to pick and speak only about that. So do not pick two pictures at a time. Be very careful and don't drop the other. Okay? So can we start?
Yes.